Hiya everyone, today is a really exciting day. We are finally getting our new front door from Palladio doors. It is also the snowiest day of the year. It's absolutely beautiful, but it is freezing. I just thought I would share with you kind of our current front door and why we are looking to change it. So firstly, it's got a big kind of gap down the side, so it lets in kind of all the draft, cold air, which is not ideal, especially when the weather is like this. And also it's got no windows in it, and our hallway, as you can see, has got no natural light at all. So we wanted a door that can kind of let lots of natural light in. So yeah, excited to get started, and we're going to share the whole process with you. So here it is, my new front door, and I love it so much. So I went for the Cairo door in the shade Agate grey, and it is beautiful. It's even more beautiful than what I thought it was going to be. I absolutely love the colour, and it's just in time for Christmas. So I'll be getting a nice wreath on the door pretty shortly. Yeah, I love it. I love the traditional features on it. The kind of big window is definitely going to help bring lots of light into our hallway, and it should hopefully definitely stop the draft, which is definitely needed in this really cold weather. Yeah, it's beautiful.